Hey, what's going on, y'all? If you're vibe coding and you're deciding whether you want to use Convex or Supabase, this video is for you. All right, so I have some history with Supabase. Now, recently, I think they got hacked or something like that, and it came to find out, I think like their business is basically operating off AWS, and that's not like really a knock on them, but they did something. This is like a petty reason, but so I had a project some years ago and I tried to use Supabase with it, and I was working at the time too, but I was like working on it, right? And they shut my project down. They shut my project down. So basically, if you have no activity for a certain amount of time, they shut down your project. And I never forgave them for that. You know what I mean? I never forgave them for that. So when I heard about Convex, I was ecstatic because I was like, okay, something else is different. That and then it uses like TypeScript and everything. And Convex has just been a way just better, totally fun experience. It's like I have like with my project, like I'll basically use the API and save it to Convex so that way I could disseminate the data through like different functions and things like that throughout the app. It's really cool. They like LLMs love Convex. That's the fact. They're really great with whatever Claude Code, Codex, Open Code, whatever you're using, whatever agentics you're using. Yeah, it's loved by developers. And I'm not sponsored. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I just wanted to make this video to tell you guys that if you're stuck and you want to like actually have like real control over your back end and database structure and everything like that, this is the way to go. Let's see what else they got in here. Oh yeah, real time. Like with my app, I needed to get the data and the stats. I needed to be constantly getting delivered to users, and it needs to have real time, real reaction to every surge, every data change. So, that's where it helps. I'm not saying you can't do that on Supabase. However, Convex is the way to go. I think Convex is just a whole lot better. I think that's mainly what they're for in reality, real time. Authentication. Now, I did not like Convex's auth system. I thought it was a little wonky. So I ended up using Clerk for that. I guess you could try. You might have a better experience than me, but I just found to just go ahead and use Clerk for my authentication. Components. Oh, open source, so you can self-host it, and that's cool too. So you can move it, all your data from in your application, move it to your server that you have at home or anything like that, home lab or anything. You can host your whole infrastructure from the house. That's really cool. You don't have to. That's really interesting. So that's good, man. So that's good. So yeah, I hope this video helped. If you got any questions, put any questions in the comments and let me know what you guys are building out there. All right, peace.